Placards and banners replaced glamour and glitz on the Venice Film Festival red carpet on Saturday, as celebrities and activists staged a solidarity flash mob for the Iranian people. Demonstrators, including festival director Alberto Barbera and members of the jury, chanted "Free Iran" and "Women Life Freedom." Many protesters held posters with pictures of the Iranian director Saeed Roustaee, who was imprisoned for screening a film at Cannes without government permission last year. Roustaee competed in Cannes with Leila's brother, a family drama set against Iran's economic hardships. Saleh Bakri, a Palestinian actor and jury member who participated in the protest, said Roustaee is one of the best young artists. "We are saying a word, one word, freedom for all," Bakri added.
For the freedom of all, for the freedom of Iranian people who are struggling for their freedom, for the freedom of women, men, artists. One of the greatest artists, young artists. He is a great director from Iran. He's in jail now. We are saying a word, one word, freedom for all. All oppressed people in the world should be free. People were born free and they should remain free forever. Thank you very much.
Iranian actress Zahra Amir Ebrahimi and Israeli director Guy Nattiv, who presented Tatami movie in Venice, also took part in the protest. Tatami tells the story of an Iranian female judo fighter ordered by the Iranian government to fake an injury during the Judo World Championships. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave your comments or suggestions in the comment section below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next one.